Hello everyone. I am Ashwini Kumar Mishra from Jagran Public School Varanasi and I am going to share some contents of information technology. Subject code is 402 related with topic entrepreneurship skills for class 10th. This is a part 1 video of the topic. The contents which we will discuss in this video are introduction, entrepreneur, what is entrepreneurship and society, role and importance of entrepreneurship, qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Now let's start the topic. Introduction. Businesses is an economic activity which is related with continuous and regular production and distribution of goods and services for satisfying human wants. Businesses can be for-profit entities or non-profit organizations. Businesses cater to the needs of the society. But sometimes we find that there is a gap between what is needed and is available. This gap can be used as an opportunity by some people who are ready to take risks and fill the gap by providing necessary products and services. Such people are entrepreneurs. Now let's come to the next topic, entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who establishes a business or a venture that generates some value to the customer and proves to be profitable for him. An entrepreneur starts a new business with an eye on what he identifies as an unmet need in the market and works to fulfill. A business venture needs to have a novel element or process to make it acceptable and thriving in the market. Now let's come to the next topic. What is entrepreneurship? The process of developing a business plan, launching and running a business using innovation to meet customer needs and to make a profit is entrepreneurship. New ideas with which an entrepreneur adds value to a business can be of many kinds, including new kinds of products like adding varieties, new services like home delivery or credit services, new marketing ideas, new cost reduction ideas, and many more. Come to the next topic, entrepreneurship and society. Entrepreneurship can be described as starting a business by using the resources available to a person. There is a direct relationship between entrepreneurship and society. An entrepreneur needs a society to establish a business and at the same time. Society cannot function without the presence of entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs play an important role for their local community, region, and state. They contribute to the economic growth of the country. This same economic growth drives development and progress in the society. Entrepreneurship hence has a crucial role in the functioning of the society. Let us look at the examples. Now come to the next slide. In India, Bhavish Agrawal of Ola Cabs, Binny Bansal of Flipkart, and Deep Kalra of Make My Trip have been innovative entrepreneurs. They identified the changing needs of the time and come up with innovative ideas that soon earned customers and grew successful businesses. Read about the life of these entrepreneurs to know how these educated people with professional degrees acquired corporate experience and started their small ventures, which grew over the years into booming businesses. There are many other Indian entrepreneurs who started from humble beginnings but turned around their fortune with the right mix of intelligence, ambition, incredible determination, and perseverance. Their success stories of hardship, labor, and success set new benchmarks and serve as an inspiration to everyone today. A few examples are Dhirubhai Ambani, founder of Reliance Empire; C.P. Krishnan Nair, founder of India's leading luxury hotel chain, Leela Palaces, Hotels and Resorts; Karshan Patel, founder of the Nirma Empire. Come to the next slide. Next topic: role and importance of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not only beneficial for the entrepreneur itself, but it is also essential for the growth of the economy. Let us discuss the role which entrepreneurship plays in the development of a country's economy. Helps in wealth creation. Entrepreneurship has proven to be beneficial for the society in terms of wealth creation for the entrepreneur and the people involved. As a result, the economy of the local area improves and develops. While establishing a business, entrepreneurs invest their resources and attract capital from investors, lenders, and the public. It results in the flow of public wealth and allows people to benefit from the success of entrepreneurs and growing business. This kind of pooled capital that result in wealth creation is the necessity to economic development. Come to the next slide. Adds to national income. New and improved products and technology from entrepreneurs enables to develop new markets and create new wealth. In addition to this, increased employment and higher earning contribute to better national income in the form of higher tax revenue and consequently higher government spending. This revenue can be used by the government to invest in human capital and other struggling sectors, creates employment opportunities. Entrepreneurs are not job seekers, but job creators. They facilitate new business opportunities of employment for the people. The job creation by new and existing businesses is one of the primary goals of economic development. For example, when a few IT companies were founded in the 1990s, millions from other sectors benefited from it. Business in associated industries like call center operations, network maintenance companies, and hardware provider flourished. Education and training institutes nurtured a new class of IT workers who were offered better and high-paying jobs. Infrastructure development organizations and real estate companies capitalized on this growth as workers migrated to employment hubs seeking better opportunities. Now come to the next slide. Leads to balanced regional development. When entrepreneurs set up new businesses and industrial units in less developed and backward areas, they help in regional development. The growth of industries and businesses in these areas leads to infrastructure improvements such as better roads and rail links, airport, regular electricity and water supply, schools, hospitals, shopping malls, and other public-private services. Improves the standard of living. Entrepreneurs play a key role in increasing the standard of living in a community. They do this not only by creating jobs, but also by developing and adopting new ideas that lead to improvements in the quality of life of their employees, customers, and other stakeholders in the community. Next, create social change. Through their unique offering of new goods and services, entrepreneurs break away from tradition and indirectly help in reducing dependence on obsolete systems and technologies. This results in an improved quality of life and greater economic freedom. The water supply in a water scarce region might force people to keep away from their work in order to collect water. This will impact their income. Now imagine an invention of low-cost flow-based pump that can fill their water containers automatically. This type of innovation will enable people to focus on their job without worrying about a basic necessity like water. Come to the next slide. Smartphones and apps nowadays have revolutionized communication across the globe. People of all socioeconomic strata now own smartphones. Community development. Entrepreneurs also invest community projects and provide financial support to local charities. Famous entrepreneurs like Bill Gates, Azim H. Premji, Shiv Nadar, G.M. Rao, Ratan Tata, and others have used their money to finance good causes such as education and public health. These entrepreneurs use their skills and resources to engage in community development. The role of government. Government regulations play a significant role in promoting entrepreneurship. A government-regulated balanced approach of nurturing entrepreneurship can result in a positive impact on the economic. Unregulated entrepreneurship may lead to unwanted social outcomes, such as unfair market practices, widespread corruption, financial crisis, and criminal activities. Come to the next topic. Next topic is qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are often seen as visionaries and takers, risk takers who take well calculated risks. They are adaptable and agile, can adjust their objective according to the changing markets. In modern times, the most prominent example is Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, who is credited with developing and bringing revolutionary computer products to the market. Examples of some eminent entrepreneurs are Thomas Edison, prolific inventor; Walt Disney, co-founder of the Walt Disney Company; Ted Turner, founder of CNN; Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook; Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft Corporation; Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Industries. Come to the next slide. In our country, India, Dhirubhai Ambani, founder of Reliance Industries; Ratan and Tata, chairman of Tata Sons and group of companies; Narayan Murthy, founder of Infosys; Azim H. Premji, chairman of Wipro Limited; Lakshmi Mittal, chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal. There are certain qualities that make these entrepreneurs successful. The two important personality traits that entrepreneurs possess are perception and intuition. Apart from these, there are some other generally associated qualities with successful entrepreneurs: passion, motivation, optimism, vision, creativity, self-starter, open-minded, risk-taker, confidence, determination, competitive, strong people skills, discipline, and strong work ethics.